Alright, I would say that many of us would think of this question this way. I see that brackets have priority. Everyone has it somewhere in the back of their mind. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Same thing here. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And then we know that we need to multiply that by 4. Here we need to multiply that by 4, right? So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. And then there is division between them. So finally, 12 divided by 12 is equal to 1. Right? That's what most of us would think. Or some of us would write it using fractions, right? Some of us would say, 4 and 2 plus 1 over 4 and 2 plus 1, right? Because division is over. So then this and this can be cancelled out. 4 and 4 can also be divided by 4. So the answer is 1 again. But wait, is it 1? And what's the problem? Because the cover page of this video says that the answer is not 1. In order to complete this, we need to use something that's called order of operation. BIDMAS. Okay, now what does this BIDMAS stand for? BIDMAS stands for brackets first, then E is for indices. Division and multiplication have the same priority. Addition and subtraction have the same priority. That's why somewhere you can see it this way. B, D and M, same priority. A and S, same priority. Okay, how does that help us with our question? I would like to ask you first to like the video and subscribe my channel, and then I will explain what actually happens in this question. Alright, now that we cleared everything, let us begin. We all agree that yes, 4 multiplied by, and then here we have 2 plus 1. Yes, brackets have priority, that is 3. Divided by 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now that we have this, we have only multiplication and division. But didn't we say that multiplication and division have same priority, right? So that means we start with whatever comes first from the left side, or basically we say from left to right. So 4 times 3 comes first. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 12 divided 4 times 3. Again, division and multiplication have the same priority. So multiplication doesn't have priority over division. We don't do 4 times 3 first. We do 12 divided by 4 first. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. And finally, we copy multiplied by 3. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And 9 is the answer to this question from the beginning. So we have just proved it is not 1, it is 9. I have a question for you to test the knowledge of this video. For example, 5 and then 7 minus 2 divided by 5 and then in brackets again 7 minus 2. Make sure that you solve this question and then let me know in the comments what your answer is. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.